Hello, fourth graders. It's Misty Cray again. Yesterday in math, we were looking at Queen Arlene's dilemma. Remember, a dilemma means a really big problem. So yesterday we were looking at this problem number here, and we thought that she probably couldn't do it, right? So now let's go on to the second part of this problem. So there's still Queen Arlene, and she still has her 3 daughters. Now let's look at the second part. So now, after thinking about it, Queen Arlene decides to keep half of her land and have her 3 daughters divide the other half. She still wants her oldest daughter to get more land than her 2 younger sisters. So I want you to think of a way to use fractions to divide this land. Can she do it? And I want you to explain to me. So on the same piece of paper that you had yesterday, I want you to now do the second part of it to it. And when you do it, I want you to think, does this make sense? Or is there another way for me to solve this? After you get 2, I want you to bring this piece of paper to a group today so we can kind of talk about our different ways that we solve this second part to a problem. And then we can kind of look at other students' examples. I'll have a piece of paper ready for you to look at, and it has other student samples on it, and then we can kind of decide together who do we think did it the easiest way, or who do we think got it right. First, I would like you to solve this on the same piece of paper that you solved the first one on, or if you threw it away or if something happened to it, you can do it on a new piece. That's okay. But I want you to think, what is a good explanation for this? Is this easier? Is this one harder? I want you to think about it and bring the piece of paper to group today. All right? And I'll see you then. Thanks, fourth graders.